Bread has been part of our life for centuries, but the craft of baking has evolved dramatically.
Verhoeven is a leading OEM manufacturer of food production equipment. Our vacuum cooling and baking solutions set the standard well above global competitors. With Atlas Copco's consultancy services, we gain clear insights into how our systems and vacuum pumps perform together. For us, it's not just about making machines, it's about making certain they perform consistently.
To maintain that high standard, Verhoeven works closely with Atlas Copco.
We need insights into every subsystem within our turnkey solutions. That's the only way to understand the overall health of a production line.
Atlas Copco provides Verhoeven with more than just vacuum technology. We also deliver consultancy services. Unlike traditional service, consultancy services looks at the entire vacuum installation in real operating conditions, enabled by Genius Instant Insights, our remote connectivity solution. By combining operating data with expert analysis, it reveals efficiency gaps, predicts potential failures, provides actionable recommendations, and supports smarter maintenance decisions.
For our customers, the impact is immediate. Consultancy services have helped them reduce energy consumption for pumps on idling speed by 50%. What matters is that the vacuum pump delivers exactly what is needed, no more, no less.
Connect with Atlas Copco's service experts to define your goals and get started with consultancy services today.